Hey everyone! Today we will be going over how to get your software up to date and keep it up to date with one click using a program called Ninite. So to get into it, let's go ahead and open our web browser.
Start window.
And let's go ahead and go to ninite.com. So it's ninite.com.
Ninite install or update multiple apps at once. Mozilla Firefox. Unknown. Ninite install or update multiple apps at once.
Okay, so I'm using a screen reader, so I'm going to hit X to get to the checkboxes, but we're going to go ahead and check which apps we want to download or keep updated. Alright, now that we have all of our applications selected, we're going to just go down to the big Get Your Ninite button, or we can hit B if you're using a screen reader.
Get your Ninite button, Alt+Shift+G.
There we go.
Ninite.net 4.7. Opening Ninite 7 zip Chrome disk.
And we're just going to save the file.
Edit red O. Save file button. Ninite.net 4.7.27 zip Chrome.
Okay, and it should be done downloading, so we're going to go to our downloads. So I'm going to do Control J.
Library list. Ninite 7 zip Chrome disk Firefox JDK8 installer.x 415.
And there we go. We're going to get into it.
Window.library preparing setup dialog. Secure desktop. Progress bar preparing setup. Ninite dialog show details right feedback. 0%. Show details link. 14%. 27%. 45%. 64%. 7.
Okay. And so it checks to make sure you have the latest version of each software.
Installing WinSCP. Progress bar 0%.
It's actually installing WinSCP currently. If we go to show details here.
Space. Progress bar 0%. Hide details link. Right feedback cancel button. Installing Visual Studio Code list.
So we have updates to a few things.
NVDA status okay. Firefox status okay. Chrome status okay. Java 8 status okay. Java X64 status okay. Windows status okay. 7-zip status okay. Steam status skipped. Installed version TTY status okay. Up to date. Revo status okay. 10 WinSCP status okay. TeamViewer 14 status okay. Thunderbird status okay. VLC status okay. Visual Studio Code status installing 15 of 23 100%. Visual Studio Code status okay. Discord status okay. Up to date 16 of 23. Skype status okay. Up to date. iTunes status okay. Up.net 4.7.2 status skipped. Installed for JDKX 6411 status okay. JDK8 status okay. JDKX 64.8 status malware bytes status okay.
All right. And now that everything's finished up, we're going to just click the close button.
Hide details link. Right feedback link. Close button.
There we go.
Library list. Folder view list.
And that's all I have for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want me to explain what software I've actually selected, I can get more in depth with that in another video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments. And have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye.